Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona. And this is your question of the day. So, somebody asked me, is it possible to buy an expired or dead trademark? Can I buy a dead trademark from the USPTO? Okay, so if you go on the US Patent and Trademark Office trademark database, you can look up every trademark that has ever been applied for. Some of these are listed as live, which means that their application is pending or the trademark has been registered, and some of the marks are listed as dead. Dead marks are ones that were either never registered, or they were registered, but then they weren't renewed. So they no longer, either they never had, or they no longer have trademark protection under U.S. trademark law for registration. They if the company's still using it, they'll still have at least common law rights on their mark. So can you buy a dead mark from the USPTO? No. You don't buy trademarks from the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. You could buy a trademark from the person or company that owns it if they're willing to sell it. If they are still using it, a trademark that has not been used in commerce continuously for 3 years is considered abandoned under U.S. law. So at that point, no one owns it. So you would have to look at the totality of the circumstances to determine, is this a trademark that is still owned by somebody, or because if it is, then you have to buy it if you want to use the same trademark on the same type of goods. But if it's a trademark that no one's ever registered and no one's using and hasn't used for at least 3 years, you may not need to buy it from anybody. It just may be free for the using. So these situations come down to the specifics. So please hire a lawyer to look into the status of the trademark that you want to use or acquire before you start using it, because you may be setting yourself up for some pretty big legal issues. So, of course, watching this video does not create an attorney-client relationship with any viewer. This is merely legal information, not legal advice. If you need legal advice, go hire somebody. But I hope this has been helpful. Hope it gives you a starting point to do your own research and seek out legal counsel for your situation. I put out new content every week, so please subscribe to the channel. And until then, I will catch up with you later. Take care.